Welcome back. Before moving on to inheritance, we need to ensure our foundational classes, book and library, are working correctly. In this lecture, we will test the encapsulation we built into the book class and verify the core functionality of the library class. 1. Creating library and book objects. Let's start by creating an instance of our library called my_library and 2 instances of our book class. These objects are now ready to be managed by the system we built. 2. Testing encapsulation. We test the encapsulated access. When we print book1.title, the property getter is automatically called, giving us the value. When we update the author, the property setter is called, which runs our validation logic, successfully updating the protected _author attribute. If we attempted to set an empty string, the setter would raise an error, proving our data control works. 3. Testing library functionality. We add our valid book objects to the library. The add_book method runs successfully. More importantly, we test the encapsulation logic in add_book by attempting to add an integer. The method correctly detects that it's not a book object and rejects it, preventing corruption of the _books list. 4. Listing the final collection. Finally, we call my_library.list_books. This method accesses the protected list, iterates through the valid books, and calls each book's get_details method, presenting a clean output. Our foundational design, based on encapsulation, is now fully verified. To summarize, our core system is stable. Our next lecture 21.05, Inheritance and Polymorphism in Action. See you there.